Control 324 PD, back on channel. Can you put me out on a 416, 2 males and a 416 in front of main and foremaster? Break. Notify the marshal's dispatch who drove right by them and blew his air horn and kept driving while they're fighting. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to unmarked.
Copy that. 2 Charlie 4 star this way. Main and foremaster.
9 Baker 2. I can head that way.
9 Baker 2.
Charlie 4.
Control 324. Send units code 3, 416. Break. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! You're going to get shot!
Minus cover at this channel. Main and foremaster 416. Units being route code.
Control 324. Get back! Get back! You're going to get shot. Who's got a taser? Control 324. Shots fired. Start medical.
Copy.
Control 324. He's not down. I don't know where I struck him. He's still holding a metal object or something in his hand.